In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you are a seasoned designer or a newcomer to the world of digital creation, Canva provides an intuitive platform for creating visually engaging infographics. Let's dive in and take it step by step, ensuring that you can create something spectacular without feeling overwhelmed. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Canva. You can easily access this through a web browser on your computer or through the Canva app on your mobile device. If you don't already have an account, signing up is quick and free. Once you're logged in, find the Create a Design button, usually located on the homepage. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Infographic. This will give you the perfect dimensions and layout for your project, ready for customization. The next step is about picking a template. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates, which can be an excellent starting point, especially if you're new or pressed for time. Browse through the selection to find a style that suits your needs. If creativity strikes and you prefer to start from scratch, you can also choose a blank canvas and let your imagination run free. Now, it's time to define the structure of your infographic. Think about the flow of information you want to present. Infographics are a visual guide to understanding complex data, so outlining your primary message and supporting points is crucial. Organize your information logically and decide how each section will transition into the next. This groundwork will inform the design choices you make moving forward. With your structure in mind, proceed to add your data and text. Click on any text box within the template to edit, or add a new text element from the text menu on the left sidebar. Ensure your text is clear and concise, avoiding clutter. Use headings to highlight important segments and subtitles to provide context. Remember, simplicity is key to effective communication. To bring your infographic to life, incorporate icons and graphics. Canva's library is stocked with thousands of free and premium icons and images that can perfectly complement any piece of content. Use these visual elements to break up text and add interest, making sure they align with your overall theme and color palette. Customizing colors and sizes can also help tailor these graphics to your design. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the Share button located at the top right of your screen. You have the option to download your infographic as a high-quality PNG or PDF file, making it easy to share via email, embed into a presentation, or print for distribution. And there you have it. You've just created a stunning infographic in Canva within a few short minutes. With these steps, creating visually compelling materials can become an effortless part of your routine. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different styles and techniques in Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.